Now, I will teach you how to convert your app to APK file. The first thing to do is download S File Manager, the Play Store, for free. After downloading, just open the app. If you can see, click the App Manager function. In this section, you will see all applications that are installed in your Android phone. Now choose an app that you want to convert to a APK file. For example, my favorite game app, it's just Minecraft. And then long press your desired app. Now, you will see the Backup to Function button. You may proceed and click that button. In this section, you can create a new folder. Name it whatever you want. And click OK. Now, you have created a new folder, so choose that folder to save your APK. And click OK. That's it, you successfully created the APK version of your app. Now, let's check your app on the File Manager. If you can see, we made it. Do you want to request another tutorial? Just submit your request in our Google form in description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe.